use case 3, retrieve all people. So whether they are actors or directors or producers, I want to retrieve all those people in my database. So same like the query, similar query that we did for movie, person. So let's represent the person with P and return P. That's it. So now we have all those person nodes, and we have like about 133 nodes, such nodes, person nodes. And we can again see how they look like in a tabular format. Like as you can see, we have the JSON-like format. We can retrieve all this information in our application if we are using Neo4j. So this is the graph representation. So let's just keep this query here and write the next use case. So instead of just retrieving all those people, what I'm interested in is just retrieving those actors. Okay, let's say retrieve all actors. Retrieve all actors. So what does it mean, actors? Actors means someone acted in a movie, right? And it is represented by the acted underscore in relationship. So we have to write our query accordingly, according to this, based on this relationship, acted in relationship. So here, match, again, it's very similar, other queries, but we will, in addition to those queries we wrote, we will be adding the relationship. So person, P person, now here, the relationship acted in, now with arrow pointing to movie. So we can say now movie. Oh, sorry, I forgot the return statement, of course. Movie, now what do I want to return? Just those person nodes, right? Meaning actors here. So now we have actually, as you can see, we have 132 such people. So some people might be both directors and actors, or both producers and actors, and so on. So we have all the actors now. What I could do is actually here I could also include the movies, okay, along with these person nodes or actor nodes. So I just also added the M, name of the movie label. So now we have retrieved all those movies and actors, actually all those actors and the movies they acted in. So it looks really complex, the graph. What you can do is you can go to table again and see how our data looks like. Again, we are retrieving our data in a tabular format, actually more like in a JSON-like format. So we can say row by row, but all this represents like one data point. Here we have one data point, another one, and so on. So let's just copy paste this again and continue with our use cases. So use case 5. So now let's be more specific. All right. So what we can do is now find actors who played in the movie The Replacements. So let's try to answer this use case. It will be similar to this, but in addition to this query that we had just now, we can just add here. Oops, sorry. If you click, actually, enter, it just runs. So anyway, where you can say m dot title. So here you see you have the properties of the movie label, and now it's the same syntax in the typical SQL queries. So we are now just inserting the where clause here, saying the replacements. Okay. So we got our results. Now this is the graphical representation. So as you can see, these are all those actors who played in the movie, the replacements. All right. So the other way I could write this, all right. So let's just copy paste this here. The other way would be writing our Cypher query without the where clause. So meaning, so here the title, we can have the title here. Right after the movie knows what I'm saying is, okay, retrieve all those persons acted in the movies, but now add this filter. So I'm filtering here. It will be returning the same results, but this is a different syntax, and I think it's much more convenient. Hold on, just so movie, let's say, oh yeah, we shouldn't have that. Yeah, not this. We should have column here, right? Not equals. All right, so we get our same result. So this is the other way of writing this kind of query for answering this kind of use case. So what we can do now is actually we can be more specific, saying, for example, so let's say this use case 6, find actors who play in the movie replacements. So find actors name and per year, okay, who played in the movie replacements. So it will be really similar. We will be just adding some more filtering options. I'm going to use the second one. That's what I like here. So, and here, what we can do now is just typing name, and then this will be, this will be then born, right? So we have born and name coming from the person node, and copy paste here. So again, if you come here and just type here, it will show you the possible, available, the existing properties. And just click on it. Okay, hold on. Do we have birth year? Born, yeah, we do have it here, placements. What is the matter here? Oh, sorry about that. Sorry about that. So we have, yeah, let's get rid of this. So now there you go. We have now our actor names and their birth years listed. So as you can see, not all of them have those birth years available. So meaning the values are coming as null. All right.